lumipad ko. Kaya nga pag dinadala ko sa park, naggaganyan sa mga aso. Yung nakikita ko ng babae, ginaganon ko rin.
Ano pa yun? Napatingin ako bigla.
Siyempre yung ano yun. Hey, is that your dog? Yes. Okay, I do that to you too. Nagpuput siya, oh.
Para makalabas.
Kami.
Hello! Merry Christmas!
2022, Merry Christmas. Watch mommy po, hindi. Wait lang, I'm using it. Nasa si kuya, yung JP. Nasa labas.
Yung dalawa ni AJ.
Wow, ayan. Mag-video ko eh. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, bless mo na ka, bless.
Bless Ninong!
Bless.
Oh, very good yan.
Ay, say sobrino, maksabi ka kita.
Meanwhile.
May bit-bit yata.
May bit-bit. Sandali,
Wow.
may bubuhatin. JP. Ay, Santa! Santa. Santa.
Huwag naman! Hindi ka ako nakayot pa! Bibis muna ka.
Merry Christmas po, kuya! Pasok po! Merry Christmas, Pogi!
Hi.
Another Santa. I'm the Santa.
Yun, di ba pala yung supot sa kanila?
Ano ba?
Hello.
Where's Erin?
She's in Daly City.
Andy.
In Daly City. Yeah.
Oh.
Yung
Go to, do not go outside.
nasa si James saan?
Maligo.
Ano mo ko? Huwag mo muna akong isama.
Nahihiya si AJ. O, sige. Sige, diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang.
Okay, hi. BC and Johnny will stay here. Okay,
Busy and Johnny.
This is your treat for BC.
Oo.
A few moments later.
What's this? Sabi kayo ng kanya.
Jonah! Ay, Jonah. Maika pala.
Maika.
Ha?
Okay, stand up.
Come here. Give me hug. Halika dito. Come here. Ito ba? Tagalog ka? Come here. Halika dito. Ay.
Hi, Santa. Merry Christmas.
How are you?
Ate Jen. Christmas. Ayan. Oh, Dr. Strange. It's good to see you.
first. Come on. Come on, Lola.
Naglalaro daw siya eh.
Ini naman eh, kay Dredos, oh. Sumusunod ka, dahil magarugan ako, oh. Come here, Micah. Can we take picture first, please?
Naglalaro siya eh.
Sit down first here. Come on.
Okay.
Kenny.
Just pass,
Look at
okay.
Grandma.
Okay,
Samuan, Samuan.
one,
Oh, look at the picture.
two, happy, cheek, cheek. 1, 2, 3, cheek. Cheek, isa pa, 1, 2, 3, cheek.
Samuan.
Okay.
That's here, Kenny. Teka lang. Puro baterya.
Sige. Okay.
Okay, for Jonah.
Uncle JP Hugs. Pinicturan mo?
Yeah. Picturean mo lang. Ay, Jonah.
Yeah, tapos na.
Sa mag-open yung lips.
Oh, Jonah. Micah doon. Okay, picture mo, baby. Picturean mo. Micah!
1, 2, 3.
Sino pa?
Ayan.
Micah. Take a picture.
You got it, babe?
Yes.
Wait. This is yours, Micah, and this is for John, and you have envelope for Mama.
Yay! Anong way yan eh? Parang flat na ako. Press ko kami.
Okay, open.
Thank you, Uncle.
Wow! I'm the one who's excited.
What did you say?
Okay.
Yay! Another crayon. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You always have toys eh. It's good you have clothes.
Aubrey. That's an guy. Tito.
There's gifts as
What do you say?
Oh wow. Yay!
Thank you.
Parang ako yung ham.
Aubrey. What do you say? Thank you. Give me more gift.
Yeah, mag-open tayo.
What was that?
To Uncle Ellie.
What was that, Adrian? Can you open more gifts? Here. Open this one.
No. Then one by one. Kasi bibigyan mo ang tiyan. Then only kids. Ito naman. Is she done?
Only one. Oh, very good yan. Oh, very good.
After Jonah, you, okay? Sit down next to Mama, baby.
Yeah, Micah, there you go. Okay, have it.
You have a lot of food, Jonah. Stop. Like,
Go, Jonah. Micah, you're next. You ready? Yeah. Then sit down, baby. You ready? Yes, I got a change there. Who says?
Why don't you sit there, Jillic and AJ? After them, you guys. Who gave you that?
AJ and Angelique.
Angelic
sorry.
and AJ.
Sorry.
Where's the gem?
It's tight.
Why did her manicure was those worth $50 manicure?
I want your ribbon.
Yay.
Whose are those, Micah? Those are Aubrey's.
Got it.
Clothes again. Clothes again. Clothes again. Yay.
What do you say? Oh, that's for brother.
Nagtipid sa box si Auntie Ann. Lola Ann.
Naubusan.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you. Welcome.
Okay. This is your mom's. Malok-lok ang keta. Where's your mama? And AJ, this is yours. Pare-pareho kay bag. Where's mama?
What?
This is your mom's and dad's.
I have, this is my friend.
Did you give Uncle Alan's?
Yeah.
Wait. Your mom will take your picture, okay?
Kaya, okay
Video
lang.
na kay mami yun.
Naka-video na. Yeah,
Okay.
just go ahead, go ahead.
Go ahead, anak.
Go ahead, go ahead.
What?
You're trying to hand it to you, you walked away.
Thanks, Mike. I got a hug.
Thank
You like it,
you.
Jillic? Show it to you. Show the face.
Thank you po.
AJ.
Yay.
Oh. And one more green.
O pag-aral.
Wow, they like hoodies.
Put them back in. Oh, John, gusto mo magbukas kayo ni James?
Ay, mamaya na mo. Nag-video pa.
Wow, you have gift cards.
Babe, ikaw magbukas ng gift.
Oh, bukas mo yung
Good,
James.
I'm doing
Paano
it.
ka ni-video, John?
Wow.
Okay. How come you? Kita ka. Okay. Kita ka.
Give a hug. Go give a hug. Go give a hug.
Merry Christmas, Joanne.
Ay, kay Joan niya yan?
From Ate Jack. Oh.
Oo.
Kaya ka kay Joan.
Akin yan.
Sit down there. Sit down.
Always Ate. Kuya and Ate Dor. Kuya Dor and Ate.
She got a Roblox gift card. It's like her game that she plays.
Oh, Joan. Oh, sa asawa mo.
Wow. Pogi na naman. Wow.
Kasama yan. Akala mo, ha?
Wapo na naman yan.
Wapo na naman yan, ha? Diyos ko naman, ba't hindi naman ito masaya? O, John, yun sa'yo. Daw.
Kaya?
Merry Christmas.
Adrian.
Wow, Michael Kors. Branded ang ano namin, ha? Branded, ha? Pwede yung masaya mo.
Uncle James, Micah. James, thank you. Okay, one by one.
Wow! Lakos! Oh my God, Lakos! Sila talaga ni Alan Lakos. Ito sa akin ka.
And this one is for
Oh, thank
Uncle
you.
James, Micah, and
Jonah.
Jonah.
Open it.
okay, let's see. Let's see. Yay.
Wow!
Yay! Thank you! Thank you, thank you!
Ano yan?
Thank you!
Stay, okay.
What's the video? Ate! Thank you!
Bob.
Thank you. Your turn, Rick.
Bob.
You guys turn.
Pamu, John, pamu, one by one. Wow! Nakala mo, ha? Jirik, yan yung matching. Yours is champion also. But who then? Oy, matching na naman kayo ni Jirik, ha? Yung jacket nyo last year, matching din kayo. Oh. Branded, ha? Branded, ha?
Okay, Mama's turn.
Mama's turn, oh. Kanina
Okay,
yung
Mama's
turn.
turn.
O, Joanne, yan naman na sila.
Wow.
Adrian.
O, from Adrian.
From Adrian.
Ralph Lauren. Wow. Ralph Lauren, ha? Social. Social. I like that. Thank you.
Put it on.
Nice.
Wow.
Put it on. So, let's go to break time.
Wow.
And from...
Read it.
This side. Hindi na ka.
Hindi na ka-on. Hindi na ka-on.
Oh my.
No.
Just going crazy.
I need to take a...
You got real?
Nice, nice.
You're
Okay.
medium, right?
Wait, si Mami John. I-video nyo.
Sukan niyo ako?
Ah.
Wait, ang kaya kang kain, may itang maluto, nagdadadme.
Wow. Ang ganda.
Where's Dad? This is for me.
Dad!
Dad! Oh.
Oh, Dad. Nakita dito.
Wow!
Hey.
John!
Na, free na yun, wala.
Makabalik ka dyan,
Wala,
Makabalik
no.
ka dyan.
Mom.
Wait, let's Mama finish first. Tikpan niya. Wow!
What is this, a rifle case? Okay, so done. Okay.
O, tikpan niyo naman ni Mama. Mama ka, children.
Okay, sige.
Mag-video Joan, tado ka. O, tikpan mo. Lukluk ka. Joan, mag-video. Ah.
Pwede phone ini? Kaya natin?
Kana ko yan. Ay, picture na may pamoy na. Hoy, mong guys. Wow!
Okay, kung na to.
Wow.
Bumukulat na yung kaya.
Who is that from? Who is it from?
Kanina.
It's heavy. Oh, baby. My baby. Tsaka.
What's this? Sandstone?
May kasagot pala yung anak nila. Nakakanyang ka? Where's the scissor?
Okay, go on. Pwede yan.
Here's the...
There you go. It says it right there. It's an exercise bike.
Yes, exercise.
That's what you for Dad.
Yung matching jacket binigay ko last year. Yung pink.
Pink. Oo. Paglamig na dito.
That is a thing that goes on the TV. No, this one's straight though. Like an actual bike. So you got to try to do it upside down.
Do I have to,
You don't have to take it out.
no, okay.
It's the exercise bike.
Ay!
Sorry. Okay. It's a toy.
Nani yun? Ano yun?
Nice, Mike. Nice.
You're welcome.
Right here.
It's a toy.
It's a toy.
Main exercise
Just like
bike.
I
He
don't need
needs
to.
it.
I don't need to define it.
Okay, Mom, your turn. Mom.
I open it, baby.
Okay, ate, open yours.
Okay.
James and I think Jen.
I wanna see perfect. Who gave this to me?
On the bottom. On the top. Now, top. From the kids. Right there. Where your hand is.
Put it in the thing. Inside na. You get. Oh.
From.
Give one to ate.
Oh, thank you, Micah, baby. Just like me, my baby. Shut up. Thank you, Mike.
Ano naman yan?
Wow! Wala pa. Wow!
Oh my gosh, what is this?
It's a vacuum.
Oh!
Vacuum yan.
Picture na natin.
Why making it a dude? Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Jen.
Turn it around.
They have any other envelope?
All right. Oh, Joanne.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Joanne and Micah.
Okay, one more.
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
And Arvin and Adrian.
Uh-huh.
From all of them. Yeah, this is very expensive.
Yes.
Thank you. For Jen and Mikey.
You're like, what am I going to do with ink without this? That was so fun.
I was like,
Jen, can you open
That was
it?
literally the last one, too.
Fun.
Okay, Jen will open the gift.
Okay, let's see Jen.
You guys are like, what am I going to do with
Binigyan ka, Mikey.
Kay Mike, ay yung bag, yung doon.
Binigyan
It's
mo?
for family, yeah.
Ador, munta ng Kenneth, ikaparigalo mo.
That was a good one.
Okay. You guys can
Okay, let's see Jen. Okay, yeah, right there, Bibi here. Okay.
James,
A few moments later.
Merry Christmas! Sa may bahay ang aming bati. Jingle bell. Namamas ko po. Namamas ko po. Siyempre, hindi ko malalagpasin. Ay! Christmas po. Malamig ano? Malamig. Kain na po, kain na. Eh, Angelique, this for them, okay?
I
Hindi na sumama sila dyan.
Ah, okay.
Yung anak yung tulog.
Ito naman. Ano ko?
Hello.
Hi, hi. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree nyo, ha? Ang ganda, oh.
Wala naman ng puto.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Angelique, lagay mo yan dyan.
Christmas tree na.
Uy, ang ganda. Kain na. Ng Christmas tree.
Nagpa-picture ako dito.
I know. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng tree niya. Halika na. Hello guys. Picture. Picture.
What? Did it really?
Hi.
No, this is...
Wow. Wow. Ang ganda. I love it. Meow. gutom na ako. Oo, paano naman? Wow! Wow! Ganda! Wow! Ang ito sa ito kan. Oo, niya.
Binubos ko na.
Ayos daw. Work sage.
Thank you.
Right, we gotta go. Okay, Commodore. Thank you for
Tama
everything.
mag-jacket. Ay, ngayon dyan po, tako pa.
Yeah. That's too much preparation you did. I know, I'm seriously. Dapat dito na kami dumiretso.
Kami lang po ganyan. Sakit po yung nagpapagod.
Oh, let's go na rin.
Mukha na kaya? Dala ko pa man.
Oo, gusto ko yung ano.
Dala
ka na.
Kuya mo itamuhan kasi kasi nag-drive yun. Mama niya ulit.
No. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa. Wow! It's a onesies! Wow! Nice! Oo, cute! PJ, onesie.
My turn.
What will you say, Angelique? Thank you.
Merry Christmas to Uncle. Hey, si Bobby!
Oh, sandali.
Si Bobby!
Merry Christmas, Kuya! Merry Christmas!
It's a... I need it! Thank you! Sige, Bobby!
1, 2, 3.
Meanwhile.